Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Sarah wants to play outside with friends on a sunny day. The clouds are gray, the wind is strong. Let's grab our umbrellas and sing a song. We'll dance and spin in the rain's delight, twirling and splashing with all our might. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. We'll stay inside and have some fun, playing games until the day's done. Drops fall like diamonds bright, a magical sight, a wondrous sight. We'll watch them fall from the window pane, a soothing sound like a gentle refrain. The thunder roars, the lightning flashes bright. Let's cozy up and read a book tonight. The rain will wash the world so clean, a fresh new start like a dream unseen. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. We'll go outside and splash in puddles too, laughing and playing with a splash or two. The rainbow appears, a colorful sight, a promise of sunshine after the rain's night. We'll chase the rainbow and find a pot of gold, a treasure waiting for young and old. Come again another day. We'll dance and sing in the sun's warm light, feeling happy with pure delight. The rain will come, the rain will go. We'll enjoy the sunshine, don't you know? So let's be patient and have some fun, waiting for the sun to shine again, everyone.
Chicken, fuzzy and bright, woke up early with morning light. She fluffed her feathers, gave a peep, tiptoed softly, not a peep. Today, she said, I'll roam and play. I want to see the world today. She waved goodbye to her cozy pen, and off she went around the bend. She met a duck by the pond so wide. Hello, she chirped with eyes so wide. The duck said, quack, come splash with me. The brave little chicken said, let's just see. She walked through grass so tall and green, saw a mole pop up squeaky and lean. Come dig with me, the mole did say, I'll show you tunnels to hide away. She shook her head, not now my friend. My journey's long, it has no end. She skipped past trees and hopped on stones. She wasn't scared, not even alone. Soft, the clouds rolled high. She saw a hawk swoop in the sky. She ducked down quick behind a log, then giggled low just like a frog. I'm little, yes, but I am brave. I face the world with wings that wave. At last she saw her farm in sight. The sky was turning soft with night. She ran back home, her heart so wide, with tales to tell and joy inside. Mama hen clucked,
shoe. I'm getting ready, it's time to move. 3, 4, knock on the door. Let's go on an adventure and explore. 5, 6, pick up sticks. We'll build a tower high and quick. 7, 8, don't be late. We'll all have some fun before it's too late. 9, 10, let's have fun. We'll play outside until the day is done. 11, 12, dig and delve. We'll discover treasures hidden beneath. 13, 14, don't be shy. Let's make some friends and reach for the sky. 15, 16, let's play games. We'll laugh and giggle and have some fun and claims. 17, 18, let's create. We'll paint and draw and celebrate. 19, 20, my birthday's near. We'll have a party and cheer. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. The fun never ends, it's true. We'll count and play and have a blast, learning and growing every single day at last. We'll jump and skip and dance with glee, feeling happy as can be. Our smiles will shine like the morning sun. Friendship and fun have just begun. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. A rhyme of fun for me and you. So let's keep counting and having fun together forever under the bright warm sun. We'll learn and grow and have some more adventures await on every single shore. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. A rhyme of joy forever true.
Babies at the playground, oh what fun, climbing up the ladder one by one. She reaches the top and down she slides, giggling, laughing with joyful pride. Woo! Down she goes with a happy shout, landing soft without a doubt. Then she runs to the swings and starts to play, pumping her legs in a happy way. She gently sways, feeling free on a sunny day. She kicks her legs and reaches high, feeling happy with a twinkle in her eye. Sliding and swinging, she's having a blast. A happy baby playing fast. Playground fun for all to see. Baby's laughter brings joy to me. She's learning and growing.
Ocean blue, wiggle tail and splash with glee, dancing through the deep blue sea. Tiny teeth and bubbly grin, let the fishy fun begin. Mama Shark says come and play, it's a super splashy day. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo, swim and giggle just like you. Baby Shark is cool, zooming around the coral school. Papa Shark goes chomp, 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 bubbles burst with every stomp. Brother Shark with flippy fins, spins and silly sharky spins. Sister Shark with shiny scales, sits around with speedy tails. Grandma Shark with gentle eyes, tells old tales neath seaweed skies. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo, clap your fins and shout yahoo. Baby Shark so bright, glowing in the ocean light. Plays peekaboo, jellyfish go jiggle too. Krabby Crab tap on the sand, dancing in a sandy band. Sea turtles swim slow and wide, singing songs with ocean pride. Dolphins jump and twirl around, making waves with happy sound. When the moon is shining high, stars are twinkling in the sky. Baby Shark sings soft and low, floating gently in the glow. Nighty night, the sea says too, snuggle up in water's blue. Close your eyes, the song is through, a dream still hum that doodle-doo. We'll come back to play with you. Baby Shark, hooray, we had fun today, let's play.
The days have gone, the time has changed. When Momo was horrible, now she's fun. Momo loves to dance, play and fun in lonely grounds and on green grass. veggies bright that grow in the garden morning till night. Round red tomatoes kissed by the sun, pop in your mouth, they're eating such fun. Long orange carrots, a crunchy delight, good for your eyesight, shining so bright. Green little peas in a cozy green row, open the pod, watch the tiny ones go. Broccoli looks like a miniature tree, eats out the florets, 1, 2, and 3. Spinach, so leafy, a powerful green, makes you feel strong, the best ever seen. Spinach, so leafy, a powerful green, makes you feel strong, the best ever seen. Purpley cabbage, all layered and round, the crunchiest veggie can always be found. Yellow sweet corn, all kernels in line, buttery and tasty, oh so divine. Cucumber,